You are on the clock.
Hi, everyone. My name is Mohammed Musa. I'm founder and CEO of Deepen AI. Thanks for Plug and Play, Planet M, and City of Michigan for hosting us. And let's jump right through it. So we're positioning ourselves as picks and shovels of autonomy. We see that the industry is moving really fast, and a lot of people are trying to do technologies from scratch all across the sector, from OEMs to tier one suppliers to mapping companies, sensor companies. There is a lot of shared technology that everybody is building again and again, and we think that's slowing us down and also affecting the safety and standardization of the industry. So the biggest problem with safety is if we get one serious accident, a school bus, God forbid, goes in an accident with an autonomous vehicle, we could get regulated, and everything that we're doing today can be paused for tens of years. And that's my biggest fear. The problem is we need a lot more AI and intelligence to actually put these vehicles in actual production. And you've seen in the previous presentations, everybody's focusing on AI, on deployment, on embedded real-time software. We're saying that the AI just needs to be much, much better at a much faster speed. And the thing is, one of the problems, I will come here, for any AI system, to train the neural networks, you need to teach it or train it on humanly annotated images and data. That training process takes about 800 man-hours per mile. And it's just this like super long time to get just 1 mile of training data. And you need thousands or tens of thousands of miles to train an AI system. It's very slow, very redundant, very manual. So we're positioning ourselves as a technology foundation to help with the annotation of AI, to help with the visualization, benchmarking, and like I said, visualization. So we'll get to our products in more detail. So for annotation for camera data, we built a lot of AI that can automate the process for humans, look for errors, to reduce any manual errors in the process. We built a tool on the web for doing this that gives us, saves us literally tens of thousands of man-hours when you're trying to annotate images. We've also done that for the more granular requirements. So imagine, as you see in the screen, if every human you need to put a contour or polygon around that human at like a pixel level accuracy. It takes a long time, it's very manual, and if you make a mistake when you're trying to put, say, like this is a human and this is the background behind them, if you mix too many pixels of the background, how does that impact your AI? Is that gonna make it more accurate or less accurate? It's a real problem in the industry. And that's even more complex with 3D systems, so with LiDAR, radar, sonar, all of the different sensors that are combined. To build AI to depend on all of this together, it becomes more complex. So we built a tool for sensor fusion, annotation, and visualization that is at least 10 times more productive than the regular methods that people are using today. We've had the success of getting a lot of good partners and good customers into our ecosystem. Actually, DeepScale that presented earlier is a customer, and Pony AI that is presenting after me we're also working with them. And we got some multiple OEMs that we cannot announce just yet, but that will be coming in the next few weeks. From a market size perspective, tooling and software is at least a $32 billion opportunity. If you look at all of the OEM and tier one software spending, it's a much bigger market. But just on the software tooling itself, it's about 32. And that doesn't include data plays and mapping plays and things like that. From a team perspective, we all came from Google. Our CTO is a PhD from MIT in AI. Myself, I was at 3 startups before Google. One was sold to Intel, one that is still alive today, and that one was acquired by a Korean company. And our chief architect, Anil, was one of the founding members for Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Compute Engine. So between the 3 of us, we have hardware, software, and cloud backgrounds to help deliver the experiences. And we've managed to hire a really strong team from Uber, from Intel, from JP Morgan, Magic Leap, and we continue to hire. We just hired actually 2 PhDs from Berkeley just last week. So next steps for us, we're trying to grow the team, protect our IP, and have a global presence. We'll have demos upstairs, so love to show you some of the stuff we've been working on, and looking forward to meeting you all. Thank you.
Last up in this batch, Pony.